Are you curious about how to kickstart your journey into OT cybersecurity? Maybe you've heard about protecting power grids or factory robots from cyber attacks and thought, that sounds cool, but where do I even begin? Let me break it down for you step by step, straight from someone who believes you don't have to be perfect. You just have to start. First things first, what exactly is OT cybersecurity? Well, OT, or operational technology, means the systems that run our industries. Think of gigantic machines in factories, the pumps in water plants, the control panels in trains and energy grids. OT cybersecurity is all about making sure these machines, the ones that literally keep the world moving, are safe from hackers and digital threats. But before you rush into fancy tools and codes, let's get the basics right. Start with the foundation. Learn some basic IT and networking concepts, like IP addresses, how firewalls work, or what VLANs do. Next, dip your toes into industrial control system basics, things like PLCs, SCADA, and HMI. And don't forget to brush up on cybersecurity fundamentals stuff like the CIA Triad, understanding risks, vulnerabilities, and threats. Check my previous video on this basic cybersecurity terms and meaning. Where can you learn all this? There are tons of free resources. On my page, CISA's ICS Training is a goldmine, and it won't cost you a cent. Coursera's Introduction to Cybersecurity is another great one. And if you like videos, check out my YouTube or SANS ICS webcasts on YouTube. Now let's talk vocabulary. Because if you want to join the conversation, you gotta speak the language. Start with terms like PLC, SCADA, HMI, DCS. Then, dig into standards like NIST 800, 82, and IEC 62443. And get familiar with threats: ransomware, phishing, supply chain attacks. The more you know, the more confident you'll feel. Alright, but what if you don't have a fancy lab or expensive equipment? That shouldn't stop you. Download simulation tools like Factory IO or Packet Tracer. These let you practice real-world OT scenarios right on your laptop. Or jump into Capture the Flag challenges for OT and ICS security, look up Cyber Range or Hack the Box. You'll learn by doing, and trust me, nothing beats hands-on experience. Don't go it alone. Network with other OT and ICS professionals on LinkedIn. Join forums like ICS CERT or the ISA Global Cybersecurity Alliance. Attend free webinars from SANS, Dragos, and CISA. When you connect with others, opportunities and confidence start to grow. Thinking about certifications? Start with CompTIA Security, plus for those general cybersecurity skills. Once you've got the basics, consider GIAC JIXP or ISA IEC 62443. These are great if you want to specialize in OT security. And don't forget vendor-specific courses from Siemens or Rockwell Automation. Finally, apply and grow. Volunteer to help local manufacturing companies with small OT projects or join tech events in your community. Look for entry-level roles like SOC Analyst, OT ICS Security Engineers, or Junior OT Security Support. And as you go, keep learning and documenting your progress. It builds your credibility and confidence. Remember, you don't have to know everything to start, you just have to start. Be consistent, stay curious, and watch how far you'll go. Your OT cybersecurity journey begins now. Let's get moving. Follow this page, like, share, and comments for more